Ever wondered why your email marketing campaigns aren't delivering the results you want? Maybe you're dealing with low open rates, poor conversion, or even high unsubscribe rates. Well, you're not alone, and we're here to help you optimize your email marketing strategy. Let's dive into some proven tips and tricks to optimize your email marketing. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of a catchy subject line. The subject line is your first impression. It's the front door to your email content, and a well-crafted one can be the difference between an open or a swift journey to the trash folder. Make it intriguing, relevant, and if possible, personalize it. Speaking of personalization, it doesn't stop at the subject line. Tailoring your email content to fit your recipient's interests or needs can significantly boost engagement. It shows your subscribers that you understand them and value their time. Now, onto segmenting your audience. Not every message will be relevant to every subscriber, and that's okay. By dividing your audience into smaller groups based on their preferences or behaviors, you can send more targeted and relevant content. In this digital age, optimizing for mobile is a must. Over half of all emails are opened on mobile devices, so ensure your emails look good and function well on smaller screens. Lastly, don't forget to test and analyze your results. A/B testing can reveal what works and what doesn't, while analytics can provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior. Remember, the success of your email marketing lies in understanding your audience and delivering valuable content. To sum it up, remember, a compelling subject line, personalization, audience segmentation, mobile optimization, and continuous testing are critical for email marketing success. Apply these tips to your email marketing strategy and watch your campaign performance soar. Thanks for tuning in.